Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Students Academy Hunter. Today I will talk about articles. Today's part is the third part of my article lecture. Let's begin. First of all, the first rule is few, little, lot of, good deal, good many, great many, preceded by a. Article preceded by a. That means few holds the article a few, a little, a lot of, a good deal, a good many, a great many. Okay, a few, a little, a lot of, a good deal of, a good many, a great many. That means these words are preceded by a. Few in number. Countable noun is preceded by a few. Countable noun is preceded by a few. Okay, a few. Few is used in countable noun. Okay, few in quantity. That means uncountable noun. Quantity means uncountable noun. Number is countable noun. Few in quantity, uncountable noun is preceded by a little. Okay, a little. That means a little is used in uncountable noun. Okay. For example, he made a few mistakes. Here a few is used. A few. Mistakes is countable noun. That means a few is used. Okay. Then I want a little sugar. Sugar is uncountable noun. That there is used a little here. Okay. A little is used here. Uncountable noun. Okay. The second rule is the few, the little plus noun plus clause. There are some places where few and little is preceded by the preposition, definite preposition the or the. Okay, but then at that time there will be a noun and a clause. Okay, the few and the little, after the words there will be a noun and a clause. For example, okay, then while the few or little refers, or the little refers to almost all, whole in quantity or number, whole in almost all. When the few or little refers to almost all, then few and little is are preceded by the article the. Okay, when few or little refers to almost all the quantity or all the number of a things or any other materials or anything else, then the few and little will take the article the. Okay, for example, he lost the few books he had. Here he had the books. Few books there is a noun phrase, that is books, noun, and he had a clause. Okay, he has lost the few books, almost all the books he had. He spent the little money he had. Money, noun, and he had a clause. Okay, he spent the little money. Money is uncountable noun, that is why little is used. Books is countable noun, that is why few is used. Countable noun, books. Okay. Rule 3. The third rule is many is preceded by a or an. Many is preceded by a or an. Many structure. The structure is many plus a or an plus singular common noun. Okay, singular common noun. there will be no chance to use a plural noun, because before there are a or an. Okay, many a man was present. Many a man, many, then a or an man is singular, was present. It is remarkable, it is noticeable that the verb will also be singular. Many an honest man, on an honest man, here an is used. Honest man, man was present. Okay, many a man was present, many an honest man was present. The fourth rule is some phrases are generally preceded by a or an. Some phrases are generally preceded by a or an. In a body, in a hurry, in a nutshell, in a fix, in a temper, to take an interest. To take an interest. For example, he was in a hurry. He was in a hurry. In a hurry. This is a phrase. There will be no other article, an or the here shouldn't be used. He is in a temper now. In a temper now. He is in a temper now. Okay, in a temper is a phrase, so there will be no in the temper now. Okay. The fifth rule is the first time mentioned noun is preceded by a or an. First time mentioned noun is preceded by a or an. When a noun is mentioned for the first time in a text or anything else, then the noun will be preceded by a or an according to the sound pattern. The is used while the same noun is used again, but while the same noun will be used in the text again, then the noun will preceded by the article the or the. When I got home, for example, when I got home, I found an invitation to a party. To a party, an invitation. Okay, to a party. When I got home, I found an invitation to a party. I went to the party. First time, the party is preceded by a, article a, and then I went to the party. The party is mentioned again for the second time. So there is the article the or the is used. Okay, the is used. I saw a beautiful garden. I saw a beautiful garden. A is used. Beautiful garden. I went to the garden. I went to the garden. First time the garden is mentioned. The second time the garden is also mentioned. So first time it contains the article a. Second time it contains the article the or the. Okay. This was for today. We will discuss about the next part in our next video. That's time. Stay connected and stay safe.